Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Laptop Explorer 11. Today I will be doing Python series day 6. Okay. Okay, so in day 6 I'll be showing you lists. Okay, day 6 lists. So what is a list? A list is an ordered and changeable collection of data. So let me show you. In Visual Studio Code I have a new file. Okay. So colors equals to blue, red, green, yellow. So you might be wondering, I'm using square brackets here, not these curly curved brackets. But if I use these curved brackets, it changes it like something like a tuple or something. So right now I'm only showing you lists. Okay, so let's focus on lists, not those other things. So a list should always be closed with square brackets. And in a variable, I can only be like, I can only say color equals red. I can't like add a comma and then say these things, right? So this list is a collection of data. Okay, a changeable and ordered collection of data. See, it's changeable. What do I mean by changeable? Means it's like, now I can remove yellow and say green, and in place of green and yeah, I wanted to tell you something here. In this list now, list support adding the same element two times. So now I can change green to yellow, so it's like changeable, right? Then there are some commands to use lists. For example, pop and append. There are even more commands, but for now I'm only showing you these two. So what does the pop command do? It removes an element from the list, and the append command adds an element to the list. So pop removes the element and append adds an element. So to use the commands, follow these steps. I'll show you how. Yeah. So here I'll type colors dot pop. Now I type the number. For example, if I want to remove red, I'll type 1. Okay. Then print colors. Okay, so this is the list after being popped, and before removing red, this is how the list will look. Okay, I'll show you colors. Yeah, so if I run this code, you can see here at the before being popped, the list was like blue, red, yellow, green. After using pop command, only blue, yellow, green. So red has been removed. And to use the append command to add an element to the list, I should type append. Okay, so if I want to add a number here, I can just type like I can just type with the number I want to add. Okay, but to add a word, I can't just say silver. I can't just add it like that. I should say uh, I should type it in double quotes or single quotes. Okay. Now if I don't use these quotes, you see what happens. It's going to give an error. See, there's a problem, one problem. See, there's an error. So if I type it in quotes, now it should work. Yeah, so this is the list before adding the silver. Okay, before using append command, the silver was the list was like this, and after using the append command, the list is like this. So I've added silver to the command, right? To the list, right? So now In the end, silver is there, but here it's not there. So that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.